Ignorance. Could it be that the president is ignorant of many of the things that are going on around him? Could it be that his staff and confidants fix things without his knowledge or participation? Could it be that his entourage make arrangements without him being aware of them? As much as he would like to convince everyone that he is omniscient, it now looks like he is suggesting that things may be done without his involvement. This raises at least two interesting observations. One is this an act? Does the president seem to be uninformed in order to create the possibility of denial, which would protect him in certain legal situations? This is an intriguing perspective, but it may be giving the president too much credibility. Although conniving, he may not be able to pull this off or even thought of it until someone suggested it. Of course, now that it has been mentioned, this probability will be the spin since it makes the president seem more intelligent than he is. The other option is, in fact, his staff may do things in order to protect him. This would not be unusual and would be the sign of a great staff and loyal friends. The problem is that they may do things that create more problems than solutions. They may do things which they need not do if they had more confidence in the president. This, of course, is the crux of the matter. Could it be that given the president's propensity to do things which could create problems, his staff and friends may pay for things for which no payment is necessary or cover up things which, if seen in the light of day, would be proven to be false? This is an intriguing possibility. The president has admitted being a voyeur backstage of the Miss Universe pageant and groping women, Access Hollywood tape. It is also well documented that he has had affairs, at least with Marla Maples, while married. Therefore, is it a stretch to think that when a woman approaches his staff or a friend with a tale of being molested or having had an affair with the president, those hearing these allegations would lend some credibility to this story? Then, as self-respecting friends and loyal supporters, they would be compelled to do whatever necessary to squash the possible unseemly publicity which might come out of this, should it become public. As a result, without even asking the president if it is true, they would turn over thousands of dollars in exchange for non-disclosure agreements. I'm not sure which of these scenarios to believe. Both seem incredible and totally absurd. But then I'm beginning to believe we might be living in a version of the Twilight Zone. I'm hoping someday we will wake up and realize it's all been a bad dream.